Hello students. So today we will study about adaptation. Adaptation is the presence of specific features or habits is called adaptation or the adjustment with the environment. Let's study the aquatic adaptation. Fishes. They have streamlined body, that means they have narrow endings to swim fastly in water. Gills. They have gills to breathe in water. Gills filter oxygen from water and fishes survive in water. Fins help to swim and push the water backward. Tail fin help in changing the direction of the fish in water. Scaly skin help the fish to protect them from rotting. Fishes can move in forward direction due to the help of the fins. Tail fin help in changing the direction and help in float in the water. Aquatic plants. Plant of the water also have some adaptation. Some plants float on the surface, some are completely dipped and some are fixed with the soil under the water. Terrestrial adaptation. Adaptation to rainforest habitat. These forests have plenty of rain, so the leaves of the trees have special tips called drip tips, which allow the water to slip off easily. Trees have extra roots for more support called buttress root. Rainforest is the home for many animal and insect. Insect like leaf insect, stick insect are adapted to camouflage their predator. Their shape helps them to keep themselves safe. Adaptation to temperate forest habitat. Trees of this forest shed their leaves in autumn. Animals migrate or hibernate in winters. Adaptation to boreal forest. Trees have needle-like leaves to allow snow slip off. The trees are of cone-shaped. The structure helps to save energy. Animals in boreal forest have thick layer of fur to keep them warm. They are mostly white in color to hide from their predator. As we know, the boreal forests are very cold in winters. Adaptation to desert habitat. The animal like rat, lizard, snake, etc. live in deep burrows to protect themselves from heat at daytime. They come out only at night when it is cool. They are called nocturnal. Camel, the sheep of desert, show lots of adaptation. Legs are long. They have large pads to help walking in hot and slippery sand. They have hump to store fat and water. Nostrils have flap to prevent dust to enter. The urine is very thick to save water. Camel have lots of adaptation which help them to survive in the desert. The long legs help to keep them away from the heat of the sand. Desert plants. Desert plants have long roots to collect water from deep earth. The fleshy stem to store water, therefore they are called succulent. Desert plants do not have leaves. Adaptation of grassland habitat. Herbivores have strong front teeth to cut and chew the food. They have long ears to detect the predator. Eyes are on the side of the head to look around and have long legs to run fast. Carnivores have sharp canines to tear the flesh. Eyes are in the front of the head to locate the prey. Strong legs muscles to run and to jump on the prey. They can easily locate the prey and catch the prey by their strong muscles of legs. They can tear the flesh with their sharp canines. Adaptation in polar region. Polar animals have thick fur that help to keep their body warm. They have white fur to hide in snow. Most of the polar animals hibernate during winter. Polar bear have thick layer of fat under the skin to keep him warm, which is called blubber. The paws of the polar bear are wide and large to walk on the snow. They have strong sense of smell. Polar bear can stay underwater for a long time as they can stop the breathing by closing their nostrils. Adaptation in penguins. Penguins have white fur on the belly to protect from predator. They have thick layer of fat also. They can swim for a long time. Legs and head are short to avoid heat loss from the body. They live in group to keep them warm. Their body structure helps them to keep them warm. Birds of the polar region can tolerate extreme cold. They migrate to warmer places during the winter. For migration, they fly high so that wind flow can help them. They find their way by their inbuilt sense of direction. They fly during night and day also. Adaptation by arboreal animals. The animals which live in trees are called arboreal animals. Monkey can use their tail to hold the branches. Some frogs, like red-eyed frog, have sticky legs to stay on the tree. They have ability to sense the danger. Monkeys have same hand as the human, so they can hold the branches with their hand. Adaptation by tropical animals. Animals like elephant, lion-tailed macaw show some adaptation. Lion-tailed macaw are good climbers. They feed on fruits. They also eat the insect inside the bark. Elephants have fan-like ears to regulate their body temperature. They have tusks to dig roots of food plant. Trunk act as the hand to pick and hold things. Elephant can lift up to 200 kg of weight. So this was all about the adaptation by the different animals and aquatic plants and the plants.